Hello guys, you are watching official YouTube channel of Shiva Learning. You all can also visit us on www.shivalearning.in for more details, or simply you can download our Android apps to get the latest update about the counseling etc. So this is the video about private deemed medical colleges in India. In this video, I will tell what are the fees structure of each colleges, what is the cutoff required to get admitted in that college, how to do the counseling, which website you have to visit. So for the counseling of deemed university, you have to visit www.mcc.nic.in. आपकी जो डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी की काउंसलिंग है वो एमसीसी कराती है, जहाँ पे 5,000 रुपीज का रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है एंड 2 लाख की सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट्स होती है फॉर द काउंसलिंग ऑफ डीम्ड मेडिकल कॉलेजेस इन इंडिया। ठीक है, उसमें बहुत सारे केसेस हैं, वो आपके 2 लाख रुपीज रिफंडेबल होता है अगर आपको सीट मिलता है और आप सीट ड्रॉप नहीं करते हैं। बहुत सारे केसेस हैं, वो आपको बाद में बताया जाएगा इन द टाइम ऑफ द काउंसलिंग। ओके, अभी आप ये कॉलेज की लिस्ट देख लीजिए, क्या फीस है, क्या कट ऑफ है, क्योंकि 13 को आपका एग्जाम था। आफ्टर द एग्जाम्स स्टूडेंट्स आर यूज्ड टू सर्च इन द इंटरनेट where to get the college, what is the marks required to get in that college, which is the best college. So according to that, we are going to make the list of the deemed universities so that you can find easy to get admission in that colleges. Okay, so the fees structure, if you are talking in the deemed university, then the minimum fees is 11 lakhs per annum and maximum is 26 lakh per annum, which is for the DY Patil, Navi Bombay. The marks required is 150 to 510. Marks required is minimum is 150 for the deemed university and maximum is 510 required to get admitted in the deemed university of India. Let me talk about what are the top deemed medical colleges in India. So आपके मणिपाल के जो दोनों ब्रांचेज हैं वो टॉप के हैं। अमृता कोची है, श्री रामचंद्र इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंस, JSS मैसूरू, भारतीय विद्यापीठ पुणे, KIMS Bhubaneswar, SHAM Bhubaneswar. These are the some best deemed medical colleges in India where you can get admitted. Okay, so let me talk about the colleges with the lowest to highest fees. Okay, so first one is Sri Siddhartha T. Begur. Okay, the fees is 11.15 lakhs, marks is 170. Hamdard Institute of Medical Science, Delhi, the fees is 12 lakhs and the marks is 454 plus required. Rural Medical College, Pimsloni, Maharashtra, the fees is 12.75, marks required is 446 plus. KIMS Manipal, the fees is 13.1 and your score should be 493 plus. KIMS Bangalore 13.1, your score should be 467 plus. 𝐾𝐻 Medical College, Bangalore, Karnataka 14.35, 446 plus is required. Okay. Now let's see for the STU Kolar Medical College, Karnataka 14.5 and 450 plus is required. JSS Medical College, Mysuru 14.71 and 380 is required. Institute of Medical Science, Maulana 15 lakhs fees, okay, and 478 plus marks is required. This for Institute of Medical Science, Maulana, this can be go up to 300. If you have marks of 300, then also you can get this college. Okay. For STU Medical College, Kolar, also if you have marks of 300, then also you are eligible to get. But JSS is the top college, so for the SS 380 plus is mandatory. Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Belgavi, this is also good college, 15.24 and the marks required is 460 plus. Okay. And Sri Siddhartha Medical College, Tumkur 15.65 to 100 plus. Now here you are thinking कि आप 200 क्यों है, क्योंकि ये बहुत reputed college नहीं है, यहाँ पे आपको सीटें मिल जाएंगी। SBKS Medical Institute of Sumandeep 436 plus 15.95, ठीक है। इसके बाद आपका आता है किम्स भुवनेश्वर, 16 फीस है, 400 प्लस, दिस इज वेरी गुड कॉलेज, ठीक है। यनेपोया मेडिकल कॉलेज, मैंगलोर 16 400 प्लस. BLD बीजापुर कर्नाटका, फीस is 17 350 plus. Institute of Medical Science some Bhubaneswar 17.9 350 plus. Amrita Institute of Medical Science Kochi 18 lakhs 380 plus. This is very good college having the good NIRF ranking. Sri Satya Sai Medical College 18 lakhs, marks required is 250 plus. Vinayaka Missions Medical College 18 lakhs 250 plus. JLN Medical College Datta Meghe Wardha Maharashtra 18.5 300 plus. Geetham Institute of Medical Science, Visakhapatnam, 18.87 to 80 plus. BBD deemed university, Sangli, Maharashtra, 19.3 to 60 plus. समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि लास्ट में इन द स्ट्रे वैकेंसी राउंड अगर आपके मार्क्स कम भी हैं, सपोज 190 है, 200 है, तो भी आपको स्ट्रे वैकेंसी में 17 टू 18 लाख के कॉलेजेस इजीली मिल जाते हैं. कृष्णा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंस कैरेट 19.5 300 प्लस. अरुपड़ाई वीडू मेडिकल कॉलेज पुडुचेरी 19.5 to 40 plus. MGM Medical College Aurangabad, the fees is 20 lakhs 300 plus. MGM Navi Mumbai 20 lakhs 300 plus. VMKV Medical College Tamil Nadu, your fees is 20 lakhs to 30 plus. Okay. MGMC's Rivalaji Vidyapeeth 20 lakhs to 20 plus. BVD Pune Maharashtra, your fees is 20.27, the marks is 280 plus. Dr. D.Y. Patil Education Society Kolhapur 20.6 to 80 plus. And now you have Lakshmi Narayan. Now you have Lakshmi Narayan Medical College. Okay, the fees is 21.5. Marks required is 220 plus. Dr. D.Y. Patil Pune Maharashtra 22 to 50. Chettinad Hospital and Research Kanchipuram 22 to 40. Sri Ramachandra Institute of Medical Science 22 300 plus. Sabita Institute of Medical Science or Sabita Medical College Tamil Nadu 22 to 80 plus. Meenakshi Medical College Chennai 22.5 to 100 plus. SRM Medical College 22.5 to 50 plus. Rajarajeshwari Medical College 23 to 100 plus. Rajarajeshwari up to 2018 it was the state private college. In 2019 is a declared as the deemed university. ठीक है. ACS Medical College 23 to 100 plus. Santosh Medical College 24 190 plus. Sri Balaji Medical College Chennai Tamil Nadu 24.75 190 plus. Dr. D.Y. Patil Navi Mumbai 25.75 190 plus. So these are the marks required and the fees required for all the deemed university which are present in India. Okay, for the admissions of MBBS. सो आई थिंक आपको सारा डिटेल्स इसमें बता दिया गया है. काउंसलिंग कैसे करनी है वो भी बता दी गई है. इसके बावजूद अगर आपको डाउट आता है, सपोज इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन कॉल अस. ओके, हियर द नंबर इज आल्सो गिवन, सो श्योर वी विल हेल्प यू फॉर दैट. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.